Welcome sa aking kusina! Kung bago ka pa lamang dito, huwag kaligtaang mag-subscribe, likes, comments, and share. Thank you! Ang recipe natin for today is crab curry. Sa recipe ito ay mangangailangan tayo ng 2 kilograms na crab o alimango. Alright, let's start by adding in 1.5 liter of water and bring this to boil. Once the water is already boiled, let's submerge the crab one by one. This process is done para safer po yung paglilinis natin ng ating crab. Alright, after a certain time, atin na itong hahanguin. Atin itong hugasang mabuti bago ito lulutuin. On a preheated pan, maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. Then, atin ipa-fry ang ating paritas. Ipa-fry natin ito until lightly brown in color. Okay na ito, atin na itong i-remove at iset aside. On the same pan, let's fry the carrots. Iprito natin ito until become lightly brown in color. Atin na rin isusunod ang ating bell pepper at atin itong piprituhin sa loob ng 2 minutes lamang. Isi-stir natin ito over low to medium heat. Okay na ito mga friends, atin na itong tatanggalin. Sa parehong kawali, magigisa tayo ng tomatoes. Igisa natin ito hanggang sa ito ay lumambot. Isunod na rin natin ang sibuyas. Isusutay natin ito until becomes translucent. And now, let's drop in the garlic and saute it for a minute. Magdagdag din tayo ng chili for an extra hot kick. Dito, ilalagay na rin natin ang ating curry powder. Pag once well combined na ang ating curry powder, atin nang ilalagay ang ating alimango or crab. Para mas malasa ang mga sipit nito at ang paa, kailangan muna natin itong dikdikin. And now, paghalo-haloin natin itong mabuti. Maglagay tayo ng oyster sauce para mas lalong sumarap ang ating luto. Maglagay din tayo ng pinch of rock salt. And atin itong haluing mabuti. Then, cover and simmer it until sizzled. Dito, ilalagay na natin ang ating paritas, carrots, and bell pepper. Then, mix it thoroughly until well combined. Takpang muli until mag-sizzled na ito. And now, let's drop in some black pepper. And sa pagkakataong ito, ay ilalagay na natin ang ating coconut milk. Paghalo-haloin natin itong mabuti bago natin ito takpan. And now, let's cover and simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes over medium heat. Always remember that in cooking, you should have to taste your dish. Since kulang pa ang alat nito, we are going to add some fish sauce. Ang patis mga mix ay tumutulong ito upang lalong sumasarap ang ating lutong pagkain. After adding some fish sauce, tikman natin itong muli mga friends. And now, let's drizzle a few drops of sesame oil before turning off the heat. Ang sesame oil ay nagpapabango ng ating lutong ulam. Luto na ito, let's turn off the flame. And now, presenting to you our finished product. This is crab curry. Looks delicious, right? Thank you so much for watching. This is MJ channel. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.